do not scroll, because this can be the one chance to turn your dreams into reality. Hello friends, I am Roshni and I welcome you on our YouTube channel Jobs Junction, connecting talent with opportunity. Like always, I am here and so is your opportunity. In today's video, we are going to discuss about an opportunity that has been released from the SBI bank's end. Yes, have you ever dreamed of becoming a government employee or to become a part of a government bank? So yes, this is your chance. So do not waste any time further. We'll straightly going for the details of notification. So friends, if you are coming first time on our channel, please share this video to your friends also, and please like and subscribe our channel so that you can get these kind of opportunity. So SBI, the State Bank of India, has released the vacancy for the post of manager. Yes, recruitment of specialist cadre officers on regular basis. The vacancy will be filled online. There is no offline procedure. Online registration of application and payment of fees. Everything will be in online procedure, and it invites online application from eligible citizens for appointment of specialist cadre officers post on regular basis. It is a regular basis post, not any contractual post. So you all should apply. The instruction which you need to remember is, before applying you are required to ensure that you are fulfilling the eligibility, which we will discuss in the video. The post is assistant manager. Special officer post it is assistant manager post. Engineer and fire are invited from physically fit Indian citizens. So what are the eligibility criteria? That we are going to discuss, but what you need to take care, always remember, you have to keep in your mind the dates. Dates are very important. Then comes the criteria and the examination pattern. These three are the key component you need to remember for applying for any post and to turn your dream into reality. Bank's website has all the notification. We have also attached the notification in our description box. Candidates are not allowed to apply for more than one post. In case more than one application are submitted by candidates for the same post, only the last and the valid application will be returned and the other will be rejected. Candidates who have defaulted in payment under any lending arrangement with banks, NBFCs, financial institution including credit cards dues, then you are not eligible for that. So you have to settle down all your financial claim before applying in case you get selected, and if these are the matters, then your candidature will be rejected. Now talking about the details of post, for the post of assistant manager in civil, if you have done your engineering in civil, then you have post. If you have done your engineering in electrical, then you have a post, and if you have done your engineering in fire, then you have a post. It is a regular vacancy. The grade is JMG S1 for ST 6, 3, 16 respectively, ST 3, 1, 7 respectively, OBC 11, 6, 26 respectively, EWS 3, 2, 10, unreserved 19, 13, 42, and total we have 169 vacancies over here. Backlog vacancies are for the post of engineering civil and engineering electrical, that is 30, and place of posting can be anywhere in India. You can be posted in any branch of SBI throughout the India. It's a pan India vacancy, so also you can apply from any place in the India. What you need to take care is, posting, placement, utilization of the selected candidates will be done at the sole discretion of the bank. Relaxation in upper age limit will be available to the reserve category. Economically weaker section in recruitment is governed by Office Memorandum Number this and Department of Personnel and Training, Ministry of Personnel, Public. Nowadays, the reserve category and the PWBD person and the economically weaker section are under the eligibility that they can benefit the training program provided by the government's end. So you can go for that if you are under the category option. The certificate should be dated on or before the last date of registration of application. In absence of valid certificate, the candidature will be liable for cancellation, rejection, and no communication will be entertained by the bank. If you are applying for PWBD, then your proper certification will be completed. Now talking about the educational qualification, the eligibility. Basic qualification should be bachelor's degree in civil engineering if you want to apply for manager level in civil. Work experience, minimum 2-year experience in construction or maintenance. For these posts you need post qualification experience. For the civil engineering manager position you need 2 years work experience. For electrical engineering assistant manager you need 2 years experience in electrical work, bachelor degree in electrical engineering from a recognized university, and there should be minimum 60% marks. Likewise for the fire, BE, bachelor's in engineering from National Fire Service College, NFSC Nagpur, and then the work experience will be 4 years. Now coming to the work experience for the composite, essentials are: if educational qualification is BE from NFSC Nagpur, then composite experience of minimum 2 years in the field of fire safety from any reputed organization. Specific skills: you should have a good knowledge of fire prevention and protection. That is basic in case of you are applying for this post. Now quickly talking about the job profile, these are the KRAs which is given. If whatever post you want to apply for, you should go through that. The complete KRAs is there. Apart from that, what you need to take care is the pay, the compensation or the remuneration. For all these posts, the basic pay will be 48,480 to 67,160 to 85,950, and you will be eligible for DA, HRA, CCC, PF. When you are a part of government firm or any government sector of central government, then you have additional perks. That is what attracts all the candidates and you toward the government jobs. Selection procedure will be online written test and interaction. Now comes the question, how will you prepare? Do not worry friends, we are your one-stop solution. So now Jobs Junction has released its test series also, a very effective test series on a very minimum prices. Also, if you are a part of our family, then I am giving you my coupon code, that is JOBS20, to get additional 20% discount. Please go and check. Pattern will be, this is the syllabus of your examination: general aptitude, professional knowledge. In general aptitude, reasoning, quant, English, and in professional knowledge, whatever the post you are choosing as per that question. Total it will be 100 marks and time will be 45 minutes. And there will be a merit list. According to that you will be shortlisted. Selection procedure for the post: shortlisting, mere fulfilling the minimum qualification and experience. It will not guarantee you for the selection. Afterwards you will have to go for the interaction, waiting list, call letter. So this is a whole procedure, you have to go through all this, but XBI itself is a very good opportunity everyone waits for, so you should not waste your time. Also, if you are facing any problem, then you should comment us. Our team will get back to you. How to apply online application: you should have a valid email ID and a phone number. Application fee is 750 rupees here. For general, EWS and OBC candidates there is no fees. So forms are free for you if you are under these category. Otherwise you have to pay 750 if you are into general category. Now registration, then the documents list is there. You can upload the documents. Everything is there in the description box. Now talking about the dates. Date is very important, up to when you can apply. So the notification has been released. So you can go and fill the form after this. 21st of November, the notification has been released on the 21st of November. And it will be up to the mid of December. So you have 15 to 20 days in your hand. Go and apply. Do not miss this chance. If you are facing any problem, please comment us and be connected to us. You can also go and get connected to us on our WhatsApp and Telegram channel. so that you can get all the information on a prior basis. Thank you all. Take care.